Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the URL text in WordPress. So for this you have to go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use, and in the search bar simply type in www.wordpress.com from here, and once you type in that and simply click on the enter. After that you have to just simply put in your login credentials there, and it will simply take you to this page, and from here you have to just simply click on the edit site option from the right hand side of the quick links, and now it will simply open up your site like this. So let's say I would like to open this site, and you have to just simply put a text that you would like to make URL. So let's say I have put in a text here, and it is said this is a test, and you have to just simply choose the pencil icon from here. You have to just simply click on it, and once you click on it, here you can see I have selected the test word from here, and you have to just simply click on the pencil icon, and here you have to simply search or type for URL like this, and you have to choose the URL. So let's say I'd like to go for the test page 2 option from here, and here you can see that the URL is already hyperlinked. Now if you would like to change the URL, then what you need to do is simply click on the pencil icon in here. You have to just simply click on it, and once you are here you can see that the text option is already showing and the URL is already showing here. You can just simply change the URL from here, and you can just simply click on save. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.